This might be one of the most unique food experiences I've ever seen in Thailand.
Chicken.
A noodle buffet where you build your own bowl from start to finish. And the craziest part, you can load it up with anything you want, even things you might not expect.
What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We're still here in Thailand, and I am on a road, a street, a back alley called Soi Buakhao, and this is Soi Buakhao Market. We are going to a buffet, all you can eat noodle spot, and I believe it's 69 baht. If it's not, we'll put the price up here, but it's 60 something baht, man. I discovered this place with a friend the other day. Actually, it was my top friend, and they showed me the place. But this market has everything. Today is Friday. You get deep discounts here in Soi Buakhao. If you guys have been watching the channel, you know what Soi Buakhao is, and you've been here at Soi Buakhao Market. But now we're going to check out this noodle spot. This is like a hidden gem, a great spot, man, that most of the Thai people know about in this area. But a lot of the tourists and following foreigners, they don't know this spot is here. Let me go take you guys there now. And to find this spot, you want to come over here where they have the nail and manicure and pedicures are done. And right behind the manicure pedicure is this secret noodle spot that most foreigners don't know about. And it's like an all-you-can-eat spot. Let's go check it out. We're gonna go down this dirt road right here. You got the manicures, the pedicures. And now, I'm just being honest, I'm just being transparent. When my friends brought me back here, I was like, there's nothing back here. What are you talking about? They was like, noodle buffet. Let's go check out the noodle buffet. There's parking back here too, so that's a good way to tell where it is. It's here at the parking lot. Soi Buakhao. And they have the parking lot attendants right there. And then you have the Soi Buakhao Market here. And right here is the all-you-can-eat 69 baht. Or is it 50 baht? It's 69 baht. This is another one. I didn't know this one's here, y'all. Oh, look, there's some foreigners back here. There's other people like me that knows. We're gonna sit right here, y'all. We're gonna go back here and let's get us some food. Oh, they got the little misty things, you know, like the little water that's coming out to kind of keep people cool. I am gonna try to get a seat right near the fan because it's hotter than a motor scooter out here. We gotta walk up here and pay. 69 baht. I'm just gonna get one. Yep. Yes, water, yes. Yep. I'll get soda. Yep. Singha soda water. Yep. So with the soda water, y'all, let's see how much it's gonna be here. And we're counting. It's going to be 84 baht. Good deal, good deal. Cup, cup. Okay. Oh, goodness. All right, and then we take this gold token that they gave us right here, and we give it to this person. We put it right there in the basket, and then we're gonna choose the type of noodle we want right here. Those are the toppings, the different types of meats, and the different type of veggies that they have. You take your token, you put it in the basket. Gling, gling. I want egg noodle. Egg noodle. Ooh, the egg noodle. Where's the egg noodle? Ooh. Maybe this one. This egg noodle, right? Yeah, we're gonna get those right there, y'all. They have the noodles right there, fresh made. You make those, you? Yeah, my man. This is what it is. He's rinsing those noodles off right now, and then he's gonna dump them right here in that soup base. They got chicken in there. They got chicken feet right there, and he's adding lemongrass. And he's getting my bowl together. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh yeah, there we go, y'all. Now we're gonna go right here and get our toppings. They have the chicken feet right there. They got blood cake, right? That looks like some type of gizzards, chicken gizzards. They have the leg part of the chicken wing. And they have the, I'm gonna call this like up near the chicken leg, ankle portion part. I don't really know, y'all, but those are delicious. Also, we're gonna get some of these chicken skin. And we're gonna get some of these. All right, let me go back to the beginning and get started here. I like chicken feet though, so we're gonna put some chicken feet up in there. I'm gonna go deep. I'm just gonna do like 3 chicken feet right there. Oh, they didn't put the soup in mine. I'm gonna get 1 piece of blood cake right here. I'm gonna get a small piece, y'all. Small piece of blood cake. I had 2 pieces. Then I'm gonna check over the gizzards. You know what? Let me get a chicken gizzard, man. Y'all thought this was a game. Oh, let's just get a little piece of the gizzard. Right there. And we're gonna get some of this right here. And this right here, this chicken calf, man. I absolutely love this right here. Let's get this. It's really fatty and have a lot of cartilage in there. See that? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. And we're also gonna come over here and get the bada boom right here. That's it for me, y'all. And I'm gonna get some soup. What the soup is? This one hot? That's over hot. Hold up, let's see what it is here, y'all. Check it out. Got the soups, the different soups. Both same? Oh, okay. Coon crap. There we go, y'all. We gonna put our broth on there. Check it out. Oh yeah, got the broth on there. A little bit more broth, just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Ah, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then I gotta spice it up, y'all. Gotta spice it up. I'm gonna put some garlic. You got the garlic right there. See the garlic? I like garlic, y'all. Don't mess with me. We're gonna put some of these fazuzels on them. When you don't know the name of something, just say fazuzol. And then we're gonna get this here. We're gonna get that crushed chili pepper and put that on there. I'm not messing with y'all. Then we're gonna put a little of this fish oil. Put a little fish oil on there too. All right, I'm done. I'm gonna get the chopsticks. I'm gonna get it. Let's try that again. I'm gonna get chopsticks and boom. Let's go for it, y'all. Ooh, we need a fan near us. All right, y'all. That's my bowl right there. Got that food happening. First thing I'm going in for are the chicken fingers, yo. Fingers. What you know about chicken fingers? Let's check it out. Look at them fingers. Word is born. Y'all thought this was a game? I'm not playing. Those flavors are so delicious, man. The spices in Thailand are dope. The broth is always seasoned well, and they make their broth with like different types of pork, meats, and chicken. It is absolutely delicious. There's a lot of cartilage and bones in them chicken fingers. Next thing we're going for are these right here. It's like a rounded chicken leg, chicken ankles, I don't know. Once again, right off the top, those flavors are delicious. A lot of cartilage that you can just chew right through. And then I'm gonna dig in here, y'all, because I like that chicken fat. Chicken skin. Check it out. Check it out. This is so good, y'all. The flavor, I'm just gonna give this bowl of noodles splash soup, I'm gonna give it a 10 plus right off the top. And I have the egg type noodles, the yellow ones. That's that chicken gizzard right there. That is the most tenderest chicken gizzard I've ever had. Hands down. I only got one. I wish I'd have got a couple of them. And I can go back up and get more. All right, it's blood cake time. Got that blood cake. It tastes like jello-y meat. Meat jello. Them spices are kicking. That was a strong spicy area. One thing they do have, they have more sprouts, and they have some basil that you can actually break off some. Matter of fact, let's get some basil. Got that one piece of basil. We're just gonna break it off, right? Put it in that noodle soup. How many of y'all like basil? Put in the chat. Do you like basil? Have you ever tried basil, fresh basil in your soup? There you go. Look like the trees back in Jersey. Here we go again. I'm gonna give a big shout out to Prewa. Prewa and her friend showed me this spot yesterday, and I came and ate. It was delicious, and I had to come do a video of this spot. So shout out to Prewa. Thank you, my friend. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat now. I love you. Thanks for liking, subscribing, tuning in to every episode. We appreciate you, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. these haircuts done right here on the street, yo. Professional. Nice looking haircuts. It's a beauty school, man. Beauty school out here on the streets. Getting it in. That's what's up. Free haircuts, y'all, with the beauty school.